Hello everyone, Richard Hundley and David McKeever here with Advance One McKeever Real Estate, here to bring you the monthly market update for the city of Stockton, California. So let me get right to it here on this chart. As you can see, the red line here is showing our pendings, and they went up again for the second month in a row from 340 to 358. That's a good sign. A lot of pendings going on hopefully leads to sales. The sales didn't really go up much, in fact dropped just a touch. The sales of the green that went from 309 to 294. So a little bit of a drop there, but the pendings going up is going to have those going up too. Last but not least, our light green line, the homes for sale, pretty much held steady, 497 to 493. So it's still a seller's market and creeping up. Price is still going up just a little bit, which David will be showing you.
All right, guys, the next chart I want to show you is the average price per square foot in Stockton. And it's just been creeping up here the last few months. And the reason I like to show this chart is because it's a great indication of the direction of property values. Since the median sold price and the average sold price can be impacted by the mix of like a low property or high property values, the average price per square foot really gives the best indicator, I think, on where property values are going. And last month, for the first time on this chart, it peaked above the $200 price per square foot. And again, this is looking at the entire city of Stockton. So this is a very good sign. There's been a lot of talks, a lot of buyers are sitting on the fence because they think values are going to continue or hope to go down. But in all reality, they could be missing out on some appreciation.
That's right. Yeah, I mean, if it's going to go down, we might see a little bit during the winter, but so far it's still going up.
Yeah. And our final chart that I want to point out today is the average sale price versus the list price ratio. And it's this top line that's going across the chart here. And in August of 2019, last month, homes on average are selling for 99% of what they're listed for. And that's an increase from the previous month in July from 98%. Actually, the last 4 months were all about 98%. But for some reason last month, we had an uptick in that number. So home sellers are just about getting full price in most times, in most cases. And the last time we got 99%, looking back on this chart, was about a year ago in July of 2018. So this market continues to favor home owners who are thinking about selling.
Yes. And
we'll keep track of that and see if any of these data points change to see if it starts to favor buyers anytime soon. But like you said, most likely during the winter.
We'll see when it cools down a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, or comment below on what you think about maybe where the market's going. And we'll see you next month for the monthly market update. Thank you.